The day winds down along the Great Ocean Road after waterfalls, ferns and the wild green of the Otways. We find our way to Kennett River, a quiet bend where time slows and laughter feels easy. The sound of water replaces the noise of the highway, and somewhere between the ripples and the smoke, we cook one of Thailand's most legendary dishes,
the rice and all the things.
Ryan Tiger.
Yeah. Yeah.
The shark hummed softly behind us, its quiet power running our little kitchen by the riverbank. There's a cool wind drifting through the gums, and the scent of eucalyptus mixes with lime and charcoal. Banyan lays out the cutting board. I unpack the flank steak, and the day begins to slow. Cooking feels less like a task and more like a ritual of returning to the land, the water, and to each other.
Garlic. Garlic. Can you see? And coriander. 2 onion with the cheese, spring onion. That together.
In Isaan, Suea Rong Hai, the crying tiger, is a story told as much as a recipe. Some say the tiger cried when it smelled the aroma of grilled beef, but had none left to eat.
Salt.
Others say it's the tears of fat dripping onto hot coals, the fire hissing and spitting in reply. And some say the tiger's stripes are echoed in the sear marks across the meat. Burnt lines of beauty born from flame and patience. Whatever the truth, it's a dish of balance, fire and lime, salt and sweetness, a tenderness drawn from toughness. We start with fish sauce and palm sugar, garlic, coriander root and black pepper, a squeeze of lime, a handful of chopped shallots. It's all mixed by hand, the old Isaan way, until the scent could wake a sleeping tiger. We coat the beef and we let it rest, the marinade working its quiet magic as the shadows stretch across the river stones.
Add a little bit salt and pepper. Just mix a little bit first. Oh, too much.
Keep it off that pan, it'll melt the salt, yeah.
One side enough, it's okay. Got my bananas here.
Nam Jim Jaew?
No, this one marinate for Suea Rong Hai. That's marinate.
Pork?
Suea Rong Hai, the Thai, crying tiger. Yeah.
Crying tiger marinade?
Yeah. That's what they are. เสือร้องไห้เสือร้องไห้ Tiger that one when you barbecue ก็จะลายก่อน you know when you cut cost
Which word is tiger?
เสือ
Yeah. The wrong.
ร้อง mean cry because the stool watering yeah that's why they call cry high means the tear dropping out from the tiger okay you can marinate for half an hour if you want to or overnight or when you're hungry just whatever you can marinate okay and put away on a side up please สวัสดีค่ะทำอะไรหอมไหม Hello
Very cool.
Say hello. Look my muscle turn muscle เนาะ
One arm, big muscle, the other arm is like a stick.
One stick have to learn how to use the right hand side right? Or use the left hand side
What you do, guys, mix it up.
yep have to
Look, he's coming in closer. Look at his tail. Beautiful. You didn't see him that close.
yeah you love it 3 4
Dried chili.
very spicy remember
Up to you. I don't mind. For the gym.
for the gym yeah
Did you say? Oh.
okay put all this
No
sauce
crying
together.
tiger is complete without its Nam Jim Jaew, the dipping sauce that brings the fire to life. We toast the rice in a small pan, stirring until it's golden and fragrant. Crushed into a rough powder, it adds the nutty heartbeat of the northeast. Chili flakes, fish sauce, tamarind, a squeeze of lemon, and a touch of palm sugar to bring harmony. Yen tastes the sauce. Her smile says everything. It's sharp, smoky, alive. The kind of sauce that makes you talk louder, laugh deeper, and reach for one more bite long after you're full.
Have to be very thinly. And if not perfect, so okay. Yeah.
Look good?
Yeah. Okay, now the Nam Jim I have to do.
You can talk a bit into the camera.
And you, oh, sorry, put the ingredient together. Just batching all the brown sugar, and all the stuff in together with the chili and coriander, spring onion, the one we already batching the one before, half of those marinades. That's what you do.
It's a bit shady.
Yeah. Batching together. Okay. Little bit fish sauce. Fish sauce. Shallot, the one you already cut. Finely cut shallot. Together in lemon. Carefully the seed. I got one seed here. Take the seed out. Okay. Can use the same bowl because there's the one already have the stuff in there. Pour the sauce in. See, they start to brown color.
Oh, yeah.
But you want a dark brown. Like turn to like similar. Like burn but the brown perfectly. To keep it perfectly. When you batching all the ingredient, everything matching in perfectly. Now, because you already add all the lemon, you add tamarind sauce. You can see all this stuff. And if you're not happy with the chili, you can add more chili in if you want. I think gonna be a little bit too spicy for my husband, but I'll try. We can't dip in too much. Gotta be very spicy, but sometimes good to be spicy. Spicy life. Okay. Try to not do too much chili in, and you add rice, that one you already batch.
Rice toasted rice.
Yeah,
flour,
toasted
is it?
rice in, and gotta get paper towel.
The electric wok sizzles to life, a gentle reminder that we cook not with coals today, but with the quiet hum of the shark. Still, the smell of searing beef is the same anywhere, by a Bangkok street stall, Chiang Mai backyard, or here beside the Kennett River. The meat chars beautifully, edges crisp, centre tender and pink. The
See all
sear
the
lines
colour
form
and the
like
white
brushstrokes, and the fat drips and hisses, a whisper of the tiger's
That's
tears.
good when you see all the.
A sound
because you
that
do
tells us
fresh
it's
one
ready.
and all the ground rice.
We slice
Very
it thin across the grain, the
Good.
juices running like the river before us.
Pan
Smoke,
hot.
laughter, and the last of delight mingle in the air.
You
We
can
sit
do
down on the
4
edge of the
minutes each
river,
side, medium
plates in
rare.
our laps, the forest rising behind us.
Medium rare. You
The
have to
first
medium
bite,
rare.
the tang of the lemon, the warmth of the chili, the whisper of toasted rice. And suddenly, the whole day feels worth it. Here, food is more than flavour. It's memory and motion. From
You
waterfalls
got
to
that one
fire,
already?
from laughter to stillness. The tiger might cry, but we just smile. Because by the river, after the long road and the endless green, this meal, shared simply, is
You
enough.
need a rice or no rice, but that's okay too.
Rest.
No rice. Yes. You not use the dipping sauce yet?
Bread?
A little bit more?
Don't mind me, but
I think that's perfect for me. It's fine.
If you've enjoyed sharing this moment with us by the Kennett River, come wander a little further. Join us for the Masalan in the Sherbrooke Forest, where curry meets mist and memory. Or walk with us among the redwoods where sunlight dances through giants. Or explore the Tree of Us, where the stories of trees and people intertwine. Wherever you go next, whether it's a forest, a beach or your own backyard, we hope these moments remind you to slow down, to laugh often, and to search your heart.
Ăn đi nha. Rồi. They're really, really good. All the rice and all the things, perfect. Wow. Look at the big, big heaps of dipping sauce in it. Oh, you can't beat that. That's perfect.